we are reaching our car and probably will do anything new stuff. So guys, as you have seen in our previous 2 to 3 videos that we converted the number plate and side indicator bulbs into LED, in today's video also we are going to do something like this. In today's video we are going to convert the front indicator into LED. So come on, first let's open it. Simple way to open it is we'll open it from here and then we'll take it in workshop and fit LED in it. So come on, first let's open it. Now it is not like you cannot do in other cars if we are doing and showing you in Maruti 800. You can obviously do this in another model car as the light system is almost same in every car. In every car, bulb is given, LED and tin light came now in market, and for that company takes a good amount of money. So instead of giving large amount to the company, let's work ourselves on it and increase our knowledge. So guys, our first light is open, and in the coming videos we are going to change this lights also, which is on both the sides. For now we are working on indicator. So you can see here the bulb is fitted. We'll remove the housing. Let's see if it comes out or not. As you can see, this reflector looks too old and even looks broken. Anyways, first we'll clean it and then we'll do any work in this. Okay guys, so now we have opened this. Come on, let's open this also. So in this also you can see its housing or reflector is very much broken and popped up. Let's see. So here we have both the two open. Now let's see its housing, that either it could be removed or not. So guys, see here we have removed the light and housing. It was very easy to remove. It was removed very easily, and you can see it's very much dirty and reflector is also very much dirty. So first we'll try to clean them. If while cleaning it remains, so we'll fit the new LED. Otherwise we will have to change the reflector because one is yellowish and the other is reddish. Anyways, come on, let's go to the workshop. So guys, after washing you can see that it looks good, but something can't be removed from it. As you can see here, this section, it's not cleaned properly. Our main motive was to clean the rear reflective and housing. It is clean. Now come on, let's make the LED base plate for this. So this we have made the LED base plate. You can see here there is 2 holes given in it, and after this we have made this mark here. Now we are keeping it something like this and keeping this. When we'll press it, then its outline will be printed on this, and in this way we can cut it. So come on, let's cut both the housing and then fit the LED. Guys, we have made the cover on which we are going to fit the LED. We can fit them like this so that all the gaps are filled and we can stick the LED strips easily. Both are completed. So now come on, let's fit the LED on them. So guys, the strip or inner plate which we had made, you can see in this that we have almost fitted the LED and also taken an initial test that all the strips are working or not. So now come on, let's do its parallel wiring and complete the light. So guys, our PCB, the inner board and wiring both are completed. So come on, let's check them once and insert it finally in the car. Now I have placed the reflector over it, and now we'll fit this wire. So you can see that its glow is very much better. In the same way it is for this also. It lights up this way So for now it is nice according to this light. In daytime how it glows we'll have to see when it is fit. So now come on, let's fit it finally on the car. So guys, in this way we have fitted our housing. After fitting the housing, it has to be fitted something like this so that it gets tightened. So this light is fixed. So guys, our front indicator light is fitted. Now come on, let's see that how it looks. So you can see that it is giving a very much nice look from forward also and from backward also. So I hope friends you will have liked this small video. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you very much for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.